Class 9 children, today we will learn some more important questions from chapter 8 triangle. So today's question will be a little bit different from the other previous questions. Here we have a question, find the value of x and y. So you have a figure here having two triangles in this quadrilateral where x and y are the unknown quantities. Here 88 degrees is given and you can see arrow means parallel, like these two arrows means CD is parallel to BA or BA is parallel to CD. And if you can see one more symbol here, equal to sign, that means these two sides are equal. So nothing written, everything is symbolic. From there you have to understand that these two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC and BA is parallel to CD and 88 degrees is given. Rest you have to find the value of x and y. So how to find? Let us start. So my solution starts here. In triangle ABC, you can see triangle ABC. I have taken this triangle. In this triangle, AB is equal to AC. Yes, AB is equal to AC. How? Because you can see this symbol. Now next, it is given. Angle BAC is x degree. Angle BAC, that means angle A. This angle A is x degree. Angle ACB, that means angle C, is 2x degree. And now I can say, therefore angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, that means these two angles, angle ABC means angle B and angle ACB means angle C. These two angles are equal. Why they are equal? Because when two sides are equal in a triangle, it is called isosceles triangle. And in isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angle at the base also will be equal. So if it is 2x, it will be also 2x. So on that case, I have written this both are 2x. And why? Because AB is equal to AC. Because AB is equal to AC, that's why these two angles are equal. Now both of them will be called 2x each. Now in this triangle, this is x, this is 2x, this is 2x. And sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I can say sum of three angles, x this angle plus 2x this angle plus 2x this angle. So sum of this three angle is equal to 180 degree. And if you add x plus 2x, 5x equal to 180 degree. X equal to 180 by 5. 5 can come and divide. And if you cancel, x will be equal to 36 degree. So first answer has come. X equal to, the value of x will be 36 degree. Next, we'll try to find the value of y. Now, BA is parallel to CD. You can see BA is parallel to CD. So whenever there is parallelism, there can be either corresponding angle or there can be alternate angle. But here we have a alternate angle. So you can see here, these two angles, these two angles will be alternate angle. That means angle BAC, that means this x part, and angle ACD, that means this C. This both of them will be called alternate angle, because you can see Z formation. You can see this is transverse, these are two parallel lines, then these two angles can be called as alternate angle. So if it is x degree, then this also will be x degree. Same thing I wrote here, angle BAC is equal to angle ACD is equal to x, and both of them are alternate angle. So now I can say in this triangle, this can be called as x degree, this can be called as y degree, and this is 88 degree. So we can say now in triangle ACD, that means this triangle, y plus x plus 88 equal to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of three angles is equal to 180. Y, this is x, this is 88. So y plus x plus 88 equal to 180 degree, and y is y unknown, x is 36. So I can put the value of x 36 plus 88 equal to 180. Now 36 plus 88, if we add, it will be 124 degree. So y plus 124, that we have here, y plus 124 equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 124. Therefore y equal to, after subtraction, 56 degree. Second answer has come. Next question. Again here also you have to find the value of x and y. These x and y, this is 108 degree. Here three sides are equal. AB is equal to DB equal to CD. You can see equal to, equal to, and equal to. That means these three sides are equal. So with this you can find the value of y and x, and here it is 108 degree. So my solution starts in triangle BCD. First this lower triangle has been taken, BCD. In this triangle, angle BDC, this angle D is 108 degree given, and CD is equal to BD. CD is equal to BD, it is also given. You can see here it is given. Now next, angle DBC equal to angle DCB. That means when these two sides are equal, it will be isosceles triangle. Then angle at the base also will be equal. That means angle C and angle B, that is angle DBC and angle DCB. That means these two angle will be equal, and if it is x, this also will be x. So both of them will be equal and equal to x, because the two sides are equal. CD is equal to BD, so both the angle also will be equal, and both are x. Now we can say, now in this triangle, x plus 108 equal to 180. X plus 108 equal to 180. 2x, x plus x, 2x, 108 comes here. After subtraction it becomes 72, and this 2x, if I write x, that means 2 will come and divide, so x equal to 36 degree. So first value has come. Now we'll try to find the value of y. Now in this triangle, if I say it is y degree and these two sides are equal, when two sides are equal, both this angle will be equal, but we do not know value of both the angle. But it is said a straight line is 180 degree, and if the exterior part, that means outside part, is given, the interior part will be 180 minus 108. That means whatever is there, you have to subtract with the 180. So 108 is there, you subtract with 180, this part will come, and whatever will be here, this part also will be same. So now in triangle BAD, AB is equal to DB. AB side AB is equal to DB. So given. So in this case what happens? Angle BAD equal to angle BDA. BAD equal to BDA. That means angle D and angle A will be equal, because these two sides are equal, and it will be 180 minus 108, and if you subtract, it is 72. That means it is 72, this also will be 72, and this will come by subtracting 180 with 108. Why 180 minus 108? Because a straight line is 180, and if this part is 108, this part will be your 72. So with that we came to know both the angle is 72. Now in this triangle, this is 72, and this is y. So I can say 72 plus y equal to 180. 72 plus 72 is 144 plus y equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 144 comes and subtracts here. Y equal to 36 degree. This is our answer of y. And one here I have solution of given homework, children, as many of you have made mistake here. You can see in these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DBC, angle ABC and angle DBC, it is given, you can see symbol here, this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and BC is common. So two things are given, you have to understand the symbol. Sometimes they don't write in sentence, but symbol is given. This kind of symbols signifies that they are equal. And when now these two triangles are congruent by side, all sides are equal. This one is equal to this one is equal to this, and this is common side. And when they are equal, the other angles also will be equal. Now angle A will be equal to angle D, angle B will be, upper part of angle B will be equal to lower part of angle B. You can see angle B, angle ABC, angle DBC. That means angle B, this is lower part, this is ABC upper part, and this will be y minus 6 equal to 30. With that way I have to find the value of y. So I have done here, you can check now. Thank you, children.